Welcome back to Jamie's Garage. Work continues on the AOS UL8, and we don't have a lot of original 3D prints for accessories for the UL8, and so a receiver should go here. This is a receiver mount. Zip ties and slide them through. The 04 Pro camera will go through this channel. These zip ties will hold it there, and we'll be able to use this for, connecting some cables too. We'll put our receiver on there and zip tie it in place, and these should come up through there. So those are in. We're gonna flip back over here. The receiver will mount here, and we'll use more zip ties to hold it in place.